If you're using Google Chrome or other Chromium-based browsers, then what you can actually do is you can find different Chrome extensions so that you can integrate Qwen into it. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around onto the page that is Google Chrome Web Store page. So to do that, from my Google account right here, let me just go ahead on to, let's say for example, Chrome Web Store right here. You can also go to chromewebstore.google.com to access this. And you can go ahead and then install this extension in any Chromium-based browsers like Microsoft Edge or even Brave and so forth. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say for example, Qwen right here. So Qwen right here. And if I were to go ahead and do that, you can see it says use Qwen in Chrome, enjoy Qwen for Qwen Chat and seamless access to Qwen. There's Qwen AI seamlessly right here and so forth. So if I were to actually go ahead and click, then you can see that this is actually a sidebar for Qwen. So I can simply go ahead and click on add and then add in the extension for Qwen right here just like this. And it says Qwen has been added right here just like this. The Qwen has been installed, and if I were to go around over here, I can pin it out, and as I click, you can see that now Qwen is over here on the side. So Qwen is loading right there just like that. Then you can see that it says Qwen is here. So now this is like a sidebar. So what I can do is, let's say for example, access out Wikipedia right here, then type in computer, let's say for example, and I can simply go ahead and select out a text, let's say for example right here just like this, and then go ahead and then paste it on the side and say explain this in simple words. And once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what I have. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize Chrome extension for Qwen right here to have the Qwen running side by side as you need. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.